Place an onion on your neck and you will solve the most common diseases of our time. In this video we are going to show you two very interesting and extremely effective home methods to treat thyroid gland disorders. Well, the problems with the thyroid gland are one of the most common health problems nowadays. And the most concerning thing is that these problems can seriously harm the entire human body. But fortunately there are effective ways to treat this condition and we will show them to you in this video. Here's what you need to do. 1. Throaty singing treatment. This effective alternative method was promoted by the famous Russian Dr. Oleg Tursunov. Dr. Oleg says that this type of drug in combination with a throaty singing will most definitely help you treat this type of common health problem. Well, Dr. Oleg Tursunov says that anyone who has a problem with the thyroid gland, especially people with reduced function of the thyroid gland, should use this method to treat their gland simply by singing, throat chakra. Dr. Oleg's healing method is actually based on the belief that the thyroid gland and the whole endocrine system, in general, are closely associated with human emotions, especially with the emotion of love. Well, the medical experts claim that the thyroid gland suffers the most in people who strongly experience everything that happens. These types of people actually correspond with a sense of profound grievance and resentment to the bad actions of others. So the resulting negative emotions remain as frozen in the body and they are collected in the thyroid gland. This is why this gland experiences disorders afterwards. Dr. Oleg Tursunov says that you should sing. Yes, singing will make discounts in the emotional discipline in the thyroid gland. And the nodules in the thyroid gland will begin to disappear. You should sing happy songs no matter what kind of problems you have and the way you feel. Always sing, he says. Dr. Oleg's method suggests that you can free yourself of all the accumulated negative emotions only by singing, for it will easily get all the negative emotions out of your system. 2. Onion treatment. Here's another natural solution that can help you in case of thyroid gland disorder. This natural and extremely effective option is presented by Dr. Igor Kiyoskyna, a famous Russian doctor from St. Petersburg. Well, Dr. Igor recommends that the usage of onions in the treatment of the thyroid gland can be very useful and extremely effective. This is very simple method, which completely naturally encourages the function of the thyroid gland. Here's what you need to do. At night time before you go to sleep, you should take 1 onion, cut it in half so that the juice would be leaking from the onion. Then take 1/2 of the onion and you need to massage your neck in the area of the thyroid gland with gentle and circular movements. When you are done with the neck massage you can go to sleep, but don't wash your neck. You should leave the onion juice to perform its magic while you sleep. If you are having some thyroid gland disorders or you know someone who has, then this is the right solution for them. You should definitely try these 2 methods to treat your thyroid gland condition. And make sure you consult your doctor before you start using any type of alternative medicine. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.